Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear button. Now scroll until you can find the appearance option. Once you do, tap on it. Now, since you want to turn on the dark mode, select the always dark option. And that's it. Now, Snapchat will always appear on the dark mode until you change the setting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.